Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily remove your Audi A4 tail light. First, gather your tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver and either a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, or a Torx 25 driver. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off before you begin any work. This straightforward process typically takes only about 5 to 10 minutes per side, making it a quick and easy DIY task. To start, open your Audi A4's trunk. Look for a small access cover located directly beside the tail light assembly, usually on the inner edge of the trunk lining. This cover might be round or square, depending on your specific model. Carefully insert a flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool into the edge of this cover and gently pry it open to reveal the fastener underneath. Take care not to scratch any surrounding trim. Once the access cover is open, you will see a single retaining bolt that secures the tail light assembly. This bolt can often be removed with a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, or a Torx 25 driver. Insert your chosen tool and turn the bolt counterclockwise. Continue turning until the bolt is completely loose and can be removed by hand. This is the primary fastener holding the tail light in place. With the retaining bolt removed, gently pull the tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle's body. It is held by two plastic pins that slide into grommets, so a firm but gentle pull is needed. Avoid pulling too hard or at an angle to prevent breaking these pins. Once the assembly is loose, locate the electrical connector on the back. Press the small tab on the connector and pull it straight off to fully disconnect and remove the tail light.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.